Hello everyone, I'm Saloni, coordinator at the internship cell Hansraj College. I will walk you through the steps of the application process at the Internship Fair 2021 and help you navigate through the website. Kindly visit the website link shared with you on your registered email ID. Once you visit the same, you will land on the home page of the website. The home page will help you navigate through the various tabs such as About Us, How to Apply, Companies participating in the internship fair, Schedule for the Q&A sessions, Job profiles, Frequently asked questions, and How to contact us. First, you need to log in by clicking on this login button. Here, you can enter the unique login credentials that have been shared with you on your registered email ID. Once you log in, you will be able to upload your CV by clicking on the Update CV button. Here, you can upload your CV by clicking on this Update button. Once a CV has been uploaded on the portal, it can't be withdrawn or changed, and the same CV will be shared with all the companies that you wish to apply to. Now, let's visit the first tab. The first tab is the About Us tab. If you are participating in the internship fair for the first time, feel free to read up about Hansraj College and the internship cell and get to know us better. The next tab is the How to Apply tab, which will lead you directly to the video that you are currently playing. Now let's have a look at the participating companies by clicking on the Companies tab. Once you click on this tab, you will land on a page which displays the logos of all the 46 participating companies in the Internship Fair 2021. If you hover your mouse pointer or any of the companies, you will be able to see the list of internship profiles offered by that respective company. You can spend as much time as you want on this page to understand the various profiles offered and shortlist the companies you want to apply for. Now, if you click on a specific company, let's say Cry, you will be redirected to another page that would display all the details specific to the internship opportunity offered by that company. From here, you can visit the company website, read about the brief description of the company, profiles and perks offered, duration and start date of the internship, application process, and other details. At the bottom of this, you will find a tab to view a detailed job description of the profiles offered. By clicking on this, as you can see, you can find a detailed job description of all the profiles offered by that specific company. If you wish to apply to any of the profiles on the company, click on the Apply Now button. Here you can choose on whatever profiles you want to apply for and click on Apply. This way your application is successful for the company, in this case Cry. Here you can also click on this image to view the pre-internship talk of the company. Next up is the Schedule tab. This tab gives you an overview of the timings and the meeting links for the Q&A sessions to be held online via Google Meet. You can click on any of these three tabs given at the top and these will redirect you to the Google Meet links. The Q&A sessions will be conducted on 26th and 22nd of April. Next is the Job Profile tab. If you want to filter the companies on the basis of profiles offered, that is, obtain all companies in one place offering one particular profile, then we can move on to this tab. Once you click on it, you will be able to see different tabs of profiles like sales and business development, content writing, finance and data analytics, and many more. As shown earlier, click on the company name or logo and you will be redirected to the company specific web page. Next up is the FAQs tab. Kindly read the frequently asked questions to solve your common queries here. If you wish to return to the home page, you must click on the internship cell logo on the top left corner of your screen as shown here. Now the last tab is the Contact Us tab. If you click on it, you will be redirected to the bottom of the web page, which has links to our social media handles. Feel free to reach out to us in case of any queries. We wish you good luck for all your dream internship opportunities. Thank you.